Alright guys, welcome to Spout dashboard once again. A lot of you have been asking me how to set up your payout. What you will do is, once you come to your dashboard like this, you can see this setup payout. Complete this before starting paid work. You can still open project and read the instruction, right? So now we're going to click on setup. All right, it's loading. So now we are going to enter our phone number. Remember, we are in Nigeria, right? So you select your country. If you're in any part of the country other than Nigeria, I am in Nigeria. That is why I'll be selecting Nigeria. Okay, here we go. Right now I'll be putting my phone number. All right, let me put a number that will be easy for me to get code. You understand? Okay, let's go. All right, so this is it. After inputting your number, you hit the submit button. Then it's time to fill in your information, right? So now I'm going to fill in my name. I'll be right back. I agree to dot terms and conditions. You see that, right? Then after clicking that, you mark that I am not a robot. You see? Then you hit the submit button. Mind you, we are creating a dot account. This dot wallet is where your payment will be sent into first. The approved ones first, before you can now make withdrawals from your dot to whichever payment platform you'll be using to withdraw, right? So now let's hit that submit button. Okay, so you can give it all right, so now everything is set up now. You see that? Okay, so an email will be sent to you into your email accounts for you to do what? To verify. So I will be going to verify that right now. All right, I'm here to verify my dot account. You can see that. So now here is the email I got. So I'm going to click here to verify. You see that? You click the yellow box to verify, and you will be brought back to your dot wallet in Spout. You can see that you are all set. Your email has been verified. You may close this window. All right, here we are back in our dashboard. Everything has been set up. Okay, you can see that. Let's go to payout. Okay, so this is a new account. There is no payout here yet. When there is a payout, you will see your total in here. You see your withdrawals, and every Friday, as you know, your money will be in your account. So if you want to check if your account has been created, read from here. You will see you can also manage your payout account and withdraw method directly at my.dev. So when you click this my.dev, this is the account we just created now, right? So now it will ask you for your phone number before you can log in. Nigeria. So I'm still going to put the phone number I used in registering for the dots. Do you understand? Okay, now let me input the number. Then after putting the number, you mark I am not a robot, and you hit the start button. A verification code will be sent into your email that you can use to log into this. So let me go and get the code. I'll be right back. Right, I didn't see the code, and I am here to hit the resend code button. So I will go back again and check if the code has arrived. All right, if you can see this, the code was sent directly into the phone number I used. You see, not in the email, and I was looking for it in my email. Okay, now let's go back and put the email, the code, sorry. Okay, now you can see our dot account is now ready to receive fund. Any approved fund, whenever you make a call or there is an approved recording, you will get an email message telling you how much was approved, and the notification will state that you should click to put your money into your dot wallet. And once you click, it will appear here. You will see it here, and the payout will be here. So only on Friday will you receive another email that will tell you to come and make your withdrawals, and that is when you will be allowed to put in the bank or the payment method you want to use. There is one more thing we need to set up. When you click on this withdraw, you will see something like this. You can see this. Skip this step, fill form, fill this. So just click on skip this step, and then a new payout will be created. All right, you can see it here. Withdrawables, there is no amount to be withdrawn here yet, so you can see that it's empty. So whenever you have withdrawal not available because your balance is 0, below the minimum withdrawal, once it's up to $5, the minimum withdrawal, then all this will be highlighted for you to make your choice on which payment method you want to use. You can see that your local bank account is here: Pioneer, PayPal, ATM, virtual Visa prepaid card, and Amazon gift card. So it is only done every Fridays. Once you click, you will be able to make your withdrawal. So guys, that is it. I'll be attaching the screenshots of the message you will receive whenever you get an approved recording in your email. They will ask you to withdraw the fund to your dot account, which is here. When you come here, you see it in your balance, and it will be there waiting for the minimum withdrawal for you to now make withdrawal into whichever bank account you choose. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will be here to answer or help you out.